Okay, basically everybody have this problem. This is 2023 Tesla Y. So every time the door doesn't close right, it can tell you that the door is open. You have to really force it to close. So I searched the internet, found many companies, and found this company, Hands Show. And I bought this one, the Model Y, soft closing door, left and right. I don't care about the back. And I got it, and they sent it with the instruction how to install it. So all the instruction, they send it in a box, kind of weird. See, because they send it this box, it says screen, 7-inch screen or something like that, or condition or something. But it's not. That's the one that came. So it came two pieces, one like that, and right and left, and that's the left one. I'll install it, see how long it's gonna take. So you start with the tweeter. You take the tweeter out. There's a pinch to take it out completely. You have to pinch the connector, and you just hang it in the back. It's come with the wire connected. There's 3 screws, one underneath the handrest and one in the reflector. You have to take the reflector out on the right side of the door, and you take the screws, keep the screws aside. Now you have to jiggle the door, jiggle it a little bit. It's clips, everything is clips, be careful not to break them. There is the connector for the opener. You have to take it out and just let it rest on the side. People take it out, I don't. Just put it on the side. Now I'm gonna mark the glass, because I want to bring it back to the same situation. So if you're gonna press the latch with some screwdriver, it's gonna raise the glass up. Then you have to mark it, make some lines with the tape, height and lines up and down. This way it's gonna align it later. This rubber that I'm putting the tape on it, the purple tape, is gonna come out. So I'm align it before. You see, I mark it with a pen. Starting taking all those screws, about 20 screws. They're not magnetized, so for some reason you have to work on it. There you see, I put it on the side. Now take all those rubber caps. You're gonna see the door screws. There's 4 screws, 2 that hold the glass. See, this one is kind of different, so pay attention. Yeah, you have like plastic kind of, because the glass going through inside the glass. On the left side is regular screw. After you take the glass out, put it on the side, be careful. And then start taking the cover out. You have to force a little bit. There's 2 kind of cone shape in the back of it, so you just need to a little bit force it, and then take it down to the right side. You see, as I do it right here, it's a little bit hard. Here you see me try to pull it strong, but I'm putting it down because it slid it down. Sorry about my bad crack. Anyway, that's the way it is. Put it on the side as well. Then there's 2 screws that put the cover for the latch. There's a connector over there. You have to put the white things from the connector out and then pull it out. And then you pull the box as well. So there's 2 screws, those ones, and then the connector is kind of hard to reach there, but there is a white clips over there, so you have to pull it to you and then jiggle it until it's coming out. The wire is actually connected with the small clips to the body, so you have to release it as well. It's going to be easier for you. See, that's the clips that holding the cable. That's the plastic cover. Now 3 screws from the side door for the latch, only 3 screws. You can take it out. The new latch comes with the screws. Yeah, take the cable out from inside the hole, take the latch out. This is the OEM one, keep it. I don't know if you want to put it back or something's going to happen. Take the new latch, release the screws from him and put the screws back in. Hold it, tight it very strong with your hand, not only with the screwdriver. Put the cable through the hole, of course, the tension cable through the hole. Make sure it's there. Put the clips back of the cable back to where it was. See, that's the way it looks from the inside. You don't need the cap back. And now, after everything is right, make sure the doors is aligned, everything is fine. Push the latch with the screwdriver, the new latch, after you connect it with the connector to raise everything up again. Go take then put it back the way it was, like from the left to the right, until you see the screws holes. It's kind of uncomfortable with all the plastic around, that I didn't take those panels out, the connectors. I don't like it. Just want to keep it the way it is. It was fine. Put the screws a little bit just to reinforce this plastic in this place. Make sure those 2 cones in the back, one next to the speaker, one on the right, is right inside the place. See, I reinforce it in its place. Make sure the plastic is out. I'm supposed to take it from the beginning, but I'm taking it out right now. I just put it on the side. Put the glass back. Make sure it's right. Make sure the alignment is correct. Put the screw back, and this is where you put the glass screws back. You remember the one with the plastic goes to the right, big hole the right, and another one to the left. I'm sorry about its covering, it's a bad angle. Just the way you took it out, the way you put it back in. Make sure you align all the plastic, everything. Put all the screws back, the 15 or 20 screws, I don't know, around it, whatever you took out. The one with the glass was a little bit hard, but I found a way because I took it out a little bit, released the latch, it went down the window a little bit, so it gave me an access. So I put it took me some time. I put a plier because it's non-magnetic, so I had to put the plier. Hold it, twist it with my hand, find the right ones and reinforce it. Don't do it too hard, but just enough to hold, you feel some tension. Now you put back all those 15-20 screws that I talked about before. There is a connector on the left, the blue one, if you see, you have to connect it as well. And put the clips right, but put the door from the top, on top of the rubber that we have. I'm going to take the tape that I put for alignment out. See, first I'm going to take the tape out, then I'm going to put the cover on top of that plastic, line all the clips, the green clips, it's in the back of it, then just tug it in pretty good. See from the top, then going down, line all the clips, make sure everything is there, and start punching it down. Reinforce it pretty good. Then put this 3 screws back, 2 under the armrest, 1 where is the reflector, put back the reflector. Make sure the the hole is aligned, put back the tweeter, just push it in, slide it from the top directly to those two clips. Let's check it. Nice. Job done. Here's the opening, soft closing, locking. Beautiful. Job done.